Okay, Jesse.
So this week we're in Koh Tao and I'm going to spend the next couple days with these guys learning how to free dive. Let's go.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
If I'm honest, at the very end I thought I was going to pee my pants.
Jerome, man, you're a superstar.
Jerome just did a 2-minute 53 on his third hold. Now it's time to get on a boat and actually go free diving. You ready? It's gonna be good.
Doesn't matter how deep you go, do your recovery breaths.
So I just finished day 1 of my freediving course with Blue Immersion and I realized I have no way to get home. So I stopped at this place, rented a scooter. All right, let's go. My big challenge was equalization. I couldn't get my ears to equalize past about 7 or 8 meters. The instructors worked with me, they showed me some different techniques, they showed me how to relax a little more. My very first breath hold was I think 52 seconds and I eventually got it up to 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Say hello to a new day.
It's day 2, let's go freediving.
And we'll live forever young. Let's chase the neon sun like our days had just begun. And we'll live forever young as we find the neon sun. Wild and free. Wild and free.
Everyone tells you that Koh Tao is a place to scuba dive. think about freediving instead. And the folks at Blue Immersion are second to none. They're really professional, super kind, really friendly. I just had an amazing time there. If you're thinking about freediving, definitely do it at Blue Immersion. They're probably the best in the world at this. I'm not the only one saying that. Thanks for a really special 2 days. You guys are awesome.
Wild and free.
We're being hosted by Sai Daeng Resort. It's just spectacular. These jars are refilled every day. This is the boys' room over here. Jonah's bed and Jackson's crib. This little blue guy was actually waiting for us when we got here. And our room is upstairs.
There's a window, there's a way out there, and every plane's another place we could begin.
Our bathroom is right through here. And the view from the shower is just spectacular.
I'm just trying to get you to run. Hey you, let's live a life on moment holiday. Hey you, let's get lost. Me and you, we'll go see the world and settle once a day. Then move along, just because we're home when we're away. Want you dying? Ooh, want you dying to get out of here? Oh, I'm just trying to get you.
Say hi, everybody. This place is just amazing. Let's go, buddy. Jaxon, say bye-bye.